Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for joining me this week. This week I just first off wanted to start by showing you the wear on my nails currently. So this is just over 3 weeks wearing the Jimmy Gel just as a thin overlay. I did have a couple little cracks and lifts in a few corners of a couple of my nails, but for the most part, I am super impressed. There's almost no lifting and there is no primer on underneath of this. This was just straight Jimmy Gel right onto my nails. So like I said, really great for doing overlays. Also works well for extensions, but I did like the consistency of the builder in a bottle from Orly better. So with that being said, I'm going to jump into a little bit of fun spring nail art for you today. Hopefully get you in the mood to practice some stuff while you're staying at home.